This body oil is not only going to give you that smooth, healthy looking complexion, it's going to brighten your skin, even out your skin tone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Clear Nature Clear Oil. So if you're interested in hearing my honest experience with this Clear Nature Oil, then you want to keep on watching. Or if you're looking for a good oil to add to your skincare routine, then you need to watch this video to the end. So the name of the product I'm going to be reviewing in this video is called the Clear Nature Clear Oil. So this is the oil right here, and this is what the oil looks like. So this is the oil right here. So this is what the oil looks like. It comes in this pink pack, like this is it right here. Is a 118 ml oil. Is a 118 ml oil. So if you take out the pack, you will have this transparent bottle right here with a black lid. So you can easily flip the cover. To open up the bottle and flip it right back to close the bottle. So just as you can see, the oil inside the bottle is a bit pinkish. It has this pink color. So if you take out the oil from the container, you have this lightweight oil inside that glides easily. It applies easily on the skin, like it applies easily on the skin, and it absorbs in very fast. Like this oil easily blends into the skin without much hassle. Wow, the fragrance of this particular body oil is so lovely. Like it smells so nice. So according to the description on the body here, or what's written on the body here, Clear Oil is a professional skincare product formulated to improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and uneven skin tone. It is also very beneficial for chapped and dehydrated skin. It is even used on deep wrinkles and creases to improve the look of aged skin and imparts a youthful, healthy glow. So that is a brief description of the product and what this particular Clear Nature Clear Oil can do on the skin. So those are the promises of this body oil. So those are the promises of this Clear Nature Clear Oil. So before I go ahead to share my personal experience with this particular Clear Nature Clear Oil, let's take a look at the ingredients of this particular Clear Nature Clear Oil, like the ingredients that was used to formulate this particular oil. So according to the ingredient list, this body oil is made up of mineral oil, caprylic or capric triglyceride, isopropyl myristate, soya bean oil, fragrance, the rest. So I'll put the rest of the ingredients for you guys on the screen so that you have a proper view of what this oil is made of. So according to the description on the front pack, this Clear Nature Clear Oil is a face and body oil that is suitable for all skin types. So judging by my own personal experience while using this particular Clear Nature Clear Oil, I'm going to be telling you guys what I like, what I don't like, and how to properly use this particular Clear Nature Clear Oil to achieve a good result on your skin. So first things first, I love the packaging of this particular product. The fact that it comes in a plastic bottle is something I actually love about this particular Clear Nature Clear Oil. Like you don't have to worry about it falling to the ground and getting broken. Like it's not going to break. It can easily fall to the ground and you pick it up from there. Like it's not going to break. So the fact it comes with a flip cover, you can easily open, take out your product and close it right back. It's something I love about this clear oil. Yes, another sweet thing about this particular oil is the fragrance. Like I love the scent of this particular body oil. Like it have that subtle soft fragrance attached to it, and it's something I really love. Like I don't know what it smells like actually. Like I can't say the actual scent of this product, but I love it. I also love the way this oil applies into the skin. Like, it easily applies and blends into the skin, and it doesn't in any way give off that greasy feel on the skin. Like, this particular Clear Nature Clear oil is not going to make you feel greasy after applying it. You're going to have that soft glowy feel on your skin after applying this Clear Nature Clear oil. It gives off a smooth, soft feel on the skin. Like, you're not going to feel sticky or greasy after applying this particular oil. It's a very nice oil to use on your face and on your body, but for me personally, I only use this on my body. I'll still tell you guys why I only use this for my body. So this body oil is very moisturizing on the skin. It's going to help nourish your skin and give your skin that hydration it requires. It leaves an instant glow on your skin immediately after applying it to your skin. Like, it's a very nice oil to use on your skin. Another thing I love about this oil is the fact that it contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and nutricelli oil, which is a blend of essential oils. So this Clear Nature oil is very effective in getting rid of body scars. Like, if you're someone struggling with body scars, dark marks, you should basically give this Clear Nature Clear oil a try. You're going to love it on your skin. It's going to help clear out your scars, but you have to be consistent with it in order to see results. Like, it's a really nice oil to use if you're battling with dark marks on the skin. It's going to get rid of your scars, treat any form of aging signs on your skin like wrinkles, and if you're someone that has stretch marks, this Clear Nature Clear oil is going to help fade them away. But like I said, you need to be consistent with this particular oil if you want to see results. So this particular Clear Nature oil is not going to whiten your skin. For those that will be asking, can I use it to achieve 5 shades, 10 shades, or 20 shades like that skin tone? No. The answer is no. This particular body oil is only going to help brighten up your complexion. Like, if you're fair, dark, chocolate, or caramel skin tone, you can basically use this particular body oil. It's only going to help brighten up your skin with consistent use. So if you use this oil once and you're expecting to get fair skin tone, it doesn't work like that. You need to stick to it in order to see the brightening effect from this particular oil. So if you're someone with a damaged skin, or you bleached your skin and you have uneven skin tone on your body, maybe this part of your body is fair and this other part is dark, you want to use this Clear Nature oil. Is going to help blend out your skin tone and give you an even skin tone. So this particular Clear Nature oil is going to help even out your skin and give you that even blended complexion from your head to your toe. So it's a really nice body oil to use if you're struggling with uneven skin tone, dehydrated skin, aging signs on your skin. Like, it's going to help tackle those issues. And if you're someone with dry skin or dehydrated skin, you can obviously give this Clear Nature oil a try. Like, this Clear Nature Clear oil is going to make you love your skin, but you need to practice consistency with this oil. So the one thing I don't really find exciting about this Clear Nature Clear oil is the fact that it contains mineral oil as its first ingredient. And if you're someone that is conversant with skincare ingredients, mineral oil can be comedogenic, so it can easily clog your pores or cause you breakout. So that is one thing that doesn't excite me about this oil, and that is the reason why I don't apply this to my face, because I feel it might end up clogging my pores and causing me pimples or acne on the face. So I actually prefer it as a body oil than a face oil. So personally, I won't advise you to use this as a face oil. I will only advise you to use it as a body oil. Like, the benefits it gives on the skin is super amazing. So this oil is a must have if you want to brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone, and get rid of any form of scars, stretch marks, wrinkles or dryness on your skin. It's going to leave you with that healthy glowing skin. So it's a very nice body oil to use and it's suitable for all skin types. But if you have an oily skin, I would advise you avoid using this on your face. So if you want to get the best results with this body oil, you want to use it morning and night. Like the direction for use is on the body of the product. You can apply this in the morning and at night. Like after applying your body lotion, you can go ahead to apply your body oil to lock in moisture into your skin, and that way you're going to achieve that smooth, healthy, glowing skin. Like this body oil is super good. So this body oil I got at Roban stores at the price of 2,950 naira. That's like 3,000 naira. But outside I've actually seen it for 4,000. So it's a very nice body oil to use on your skin. Like I've been using this for 2 months now and I love it. Like this is my second bottle on this Clear Nature Clear oil. So it's a super amazing body oil. So yeah, that is it for this Clear Nature Clear oil review. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.